Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spear Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really good wire pulling knot. So I'm going to use this type of string to show you guys because it's a little easier to see. So let's just jump right into it. So the first tip is if you have just like a plain rope, at the end of the rope, you'll grab it with your fingers, bring it all the way across your chest, come down, that'll be your halfway mark. Okay, you're gonna give yourself a good little loop, however big a loop you want to make, and then you're gonna grab it, roll it up the size of your fist, then grab it at the top. So now you got basically two loops. Okay, and then you're gonna, while holding it with your grip, you're gonna kind of cigarette pack it and then start making the rolls. You want to do 4 rolls around it, so that you can see that's 4 rolls. And then at the bottom of the roll, there's going to be that little loop that you made. You're going to shove this wire in that little loop, just like so. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is figure out which one this thing tugs. So it's on this side. So and then makes it nice and tight. Okay. So now you got your perfect little knot. And then this thing moves up and down now, depending on how much you need. And will just get tighter because this will be what you're pulling on. So it'll auto tighten itself up to that point, and then you can always retract it, put another one on there, and then it'll get tighter and tighter, So that is one of the, in my opinion, one of the best wire pulling things, because you can also wrap some tape around this. Once you get it nice and tight, you can put some tape around it, and it won't bind up right there. And then to undo it, as simple as just pulling it down, and there you go. So it's an easy one to do and an easy one to clean up. With your littler wire, the ones that you use like fish pulling rope, that's twine, that real fine fishing wire looking stuff. Just a classic fisherman's knot, which is pretty simple. You can do it the same way or whatever, but really, you can just do an arm length, fold it in half, and then pinch your little deal together, spin it around the rope a few times, like 3 is perfect, and then go through the first loop that you made, just like so, and then just let it come up, and then it'll tighten itself, but this probably will never break when you're pulling it. It'll kind of stay like that, and then once you push it all the way up to the front, it'll be good. And then when you're done, give it a quick little cut and you're good to go. So those are my 2 favorite methods of making an eye on wire pulling. If you have any questions, or if you guys have a better way of doing it, let me know. Please like and subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. Every little bit helps. Once again, my name is John Spear and I'm with Warhammer Electric. Hope you guys have a great day.